Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install an Ethernet driver on Windows 11. All you have to do is first access Device Manager, as you can see here. Now just give it a moment to load up for you. And after that, go ahead and navigate to Network Adapters. As you can see, just click on the arrow beside it on the left side. Once you open it, you can choose your Ethernet driver from the list. Just make sure it matches the one you have installed. Then go ahead and open Google Chrome and type in the name of your driver. Click on the correct search result. You can then go ahead and download it from the official website. So just scroll down the page. Then choose the version you want, depending on the version you have. After that, click on Download right here. Once you click, you will be redirected to another web page. Go ahead and scroll down again. Then click on the Download File button. At this point, you will need to type in the CAPTCHA as you can see on the screen. Just type exactly what you see there. Make sure everything is typed correctly from uppercase to lowercase. Then go ahead and click on Submit. And after that, the file will be downloaded onto your computer. Go ahead, check the description below for instructions on installing this .tar.bz2 file on Windows 11. That's it. Thank you for watching.